This is the native project format for GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Program. It stores layers and channels. You need GIMP to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the free download. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single XCF file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. The XCF file extension is associated with GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Program tutorial files. While XCF is primarily known as GIMP's native image format, it can also be used to store tutorial content, including instructions, example images, and other resources to guide users through specific GIMP techniques. XCF tutorial files may contain a combination of text, images, and potentially scripts or macros that demonstrate how to perform certain tasks within GIMP. These files are designed to be opened and followed within the GIMP environment, providing a step-by-step learning experience. This XCF file is designed specifically for the developer tool GIMP by the GIMP development team. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows shows the artwork, but not its editable components. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the XCF file and choose Open With. Start with GIMP if available. If not, select another application from the list. If your XCF file will not open yet, do not panic. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, use GIMP. Open the file using GIMP GNU Image Manipulation Program, the required application for the image. Next, check version. Ensure your GIMP version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, convert to PSD-PNG. Use the software's export function to save the image as a universal format like .psd or .png. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.